Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you've been wondering if some of these faux wood panels look as good on the wall as they do online, then I'm going to show you how easy it was to install and how amazing these ones we got from KASARO are. We're making a little rec room in our warehouse. Using these 3D tongue and groove fluted wall panels was a really quick and easy way to make our walls look amazing. You can either put them on with adhesive or use a nail gun like we did. And we don't even have like a professional nail gun. We just use like a craft one that we had at home. This is made out of polystyrene. It's very lightweight, and total bonus, it's washable. I got the oak color, and the texture on the panels kind of reminds me of bamboo. I think it's a really sleek look. We got 2 boxes, which will cover around 50 square feet, and my husband and I were able to put this up within an hour. We did decide to put trim over the seam where the panels connect in the middle because we have trim on our other walls, so this just made it look more cohesive. You'll notice that the edge of the boards have a little bit of residual material on them from where they've been cut, and you can easily just brush that off with your finger. I'm so pleased by the look and the quality of these faux wood panels. I recommend them for any of the DIY projects that you might have in mind, and that's my point of view.